Here's how I brush my teeth. I make sure to get in the bag first. Like that.
I'm just kidding, guys. I just thought that was really funny to put at the beginning of my video, but no, it's not my husband's teeth brushing routine. It's my skincare routine. So let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm filming with my iPhone 11, so I don't know how the sound quality is, but if it turns out crappy, I probably won't do the regular sound and do a voiceover, but I wanted to do a nighttime skincare routine. This is literally what I do at night. It's not what I do every night. My routine changes based on my skin needs. My skin's been super sensitive because I was using this retinoid cream and my skin reacted to it. I'm trying to get my skin to go back to its usual self. I've been using just aloe vera and a hyaluronic acid serum. So that's basically what I'll be showing you tonight, but I had makeup on. I wiped my makeup off with coconut oil and Equate makeup remover towelettes. I already did that part, but I'm just going to show you guys what I use to cleanse and all that stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the cleanser that I use to cleanse my skin is this Tatcha Deep Cleanse. I double cleanse at night. Sometimes I cleanse once. Tonight I'm going to cleanse my skin twice because I had makeup on, and I just feel like with makeup it's best to just double cleanse to make sure everything comes off. And because my skin has been kind of irritated, I want to make sure nothing is clogging my pores and everything is completely off. So this is what I've been using this whole year, and I've been loving it. I know that you guys have seen this guy before. This is my Duvolle facial cleanser. It has one speed, but you have interchangeable brush heads that you can use. Like this one is the overall cleansing one, and then I have an exfoliating brush for it too. I'm not going to be exfoliating because this cleanser is a deep cleanse and it has little micro beads in it, so it also exfoliates my skin, and I don't want to overdo it with my skin because it's been irritated. So I'm just going to use the regular spin brush, the cleansing brush head. If you guys have like any type of like electronic skin cleanser, my husband has this Clarisonic and he got this like fancy rubber face brush, and this is like super fancy. I had a Clarisonic but it died out and I don't use it anymore, and this one was sent to me and I fell in love with it. I just feel like the product foams up and it just feels a lot more nicer on my skin. And I love that it just has batteries. It hasn't died on me yet for no apparent reason like the Clarisonic has. So I really like this. I do have a coupon code for you guys if you guys want to purchase. I'll leave it in the description bar below. So because I'm filming with my iPhone, I can't really show you guys the sink, but you guys will see the whole process of it. I like to wet my face first. There's no product on my hands. I'm just wetting my face, and then I wet my spin brush, and then I shake this up. Oh no, I don't put a lot on. I just put that much on. A little goes a long way. Wet it again, and then I turn off the faucet, and then just do that. All right, let's get into this. The spin brush doesn't beep or vibrate to inform you to go to the next area of your face like the Clarisonic or any other fancy brushes do. This brush head is, or not this brush head, but this whole brush system kit is super easy to use. It's battery operated, it's simple, so you don't have to worry about like a list of instructions on how to use it. It's super simple and easy. Since it doesn't come with a timer or anything, a lot of people are like, oh well, how do I know how to go to the next section of my face? Well, what I do is I try to keep the brush over one area of my face for like 10 seconds, then I move on to the next area. I don't keep it in one area for that long because I don't want to irritate or overdo it on my skin. And I make a few rounds over my face, as you guys will see. Like if I feel like I need to go to that area again, I won't like keep it on there for that long. I'll just make one whole pass through my face, and then I'll get it on the next round. So that's how I do it. And I just love using a spin brush to clean my skin because I feel like it cleans my skin way better than if I were to just use my hands. Okay, usually I would rinse my face over the sink, but because I'm filming for you guys, I have a little wet rag here. This is actually my son's little burp cloth, and I'm just going to wipe away all the stuff. You guys can see all that. Still makeup left. It's crazy. It's like you think you're cleaning everything off, but you really aren't. Alright, this is the second time I'm going to cleanse my skin. Like I said, I normally don't double cleanse. Only when I have makeup on is when I double cleanse, and because my skin has been really acting up, I want to make sure there's nothing left on my skin. So that is why I'm double cleansing, and you can tell I'm making the passes really quick. I'm not taking too much time when I'm cleansing. It's just a really quick pass, and over here I'm just wiping it all off. I've never wiped soap off with a little rag before, and surprisingly I felt like it got a lot of the leftover makeup and residue off my skin a lot better than if I were to just wash it away with my hands. Believe it or not, I do the remaining of my skincare stuff in my kitchen, and that's what I've been doing for the past month just because of that whole irritation thing that happened. I'm gonna bring everything in here so you guys can see it because the lighting is better and stuff, so give me a second. Look how shiny my skin is. I haven't put anything on it yet. Here's my little aloe vera. I sliced it in half like this, and then I piece it, and I just go all over my skin. This has helped tremendously with redness, irritation, inflammation, and it just really helps clear up my skin. And I'll show you guys what my skin looks like in the morning. So when it gets all dried up like this, I'll show you guys. So you see how it's like all dry? I like to go in and just like get all the juice out again because it's in there, but it's just dried out. And I like to focus it on areas where there's more like redness, like right here, right here, right here. Ah, oh my god, aloe down, aloe down. I like to go under my eyes as well. Aloe vera, honestly, is the best thing you can do for your skin. I'm not kidding. Aloe vera in sheet masks, hydrating sheet masks. And basically that's it. I just let this dry on my face. I don't add anything else on top of this. I just let it do its thing. And my eyelash serum is actually in my kitchen. Like, I don't know why all my skincare stuff is in my kitchen, but all I use is aloe vera and this Tatcha cleansing product and my Duvolle face cleansing brush. So that's basically all I use. I can't use a lot on my skin at once because it reacts, it's sensitive, so there's only a few things that I can add on my skin. That's basically it for my skincare nighttime routine. Like I said, my skincare routine changes all the time based on the, you know, how my skin is reacting and all that type of stuff. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I know this is like super simple stuff, but if you have problematic skin, put some aloe vera on it. If you have super problematic skin, I would advise to put some cactus on it. And by problematic, what I mean is if there's like inflammation, irritation, sensitivity. For me, I find that aloe and cactus work best. And especially if I'm applying product and it's reacting to the product. So I just apply aloe and cactus. I know it sounds so weird, but it helps. All right, this is the morning after, right after I applied the aloe. This is what my skin looks like. And then the night after this, I applied cactus on my face, and I'm about to show you guys what that looks like. All right, guys, this is me the morning after the cactus application on my face. I can't believe I'm actually saying that, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I love how my skin looks. Sometimes when aloe vera doesn't do the trick, I apply cactus because cactus is like aloe vera but on steroids. So yeah, this is it. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm just gonna peel off the dried cactus, and I'm not gonna wash my face or anything. I'm just gonna leave it on, and I'm going to apply my morning like skincare stuff, and I'll do a separate video on my morning skincare routine. This is just my nighttime one, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in the daytime. So yeah, this is it. This is my baby. We are out. He just woke up from his nap. I have to feed him and all that, so I've got to go. But I hope you guys learned a few things about my nighttime skincare. It's not your regular, you know, like traditional skincare thing. I use a lot of produce on my skin, which is crazy. That's what I've been using recently. Once I change it up, which I think will be maybe next month, once I start using actual skincare products, I'll upload another nighttime skincare routine for you guys once it changes. But for now, this is what I've been using. This is what I've been doing for about a month, and my skin is looking really good. Ow! I'm about to actually go get my hair colored right now, so yeah, love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Love you. Love you guys.